Tesla is bringing automatic payment to level 2 wall chargers, and here's why that's good, because paying for charging isn't that cool, but having way more places to charge definitely is. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Kylie Hyatt from CNET.com Roadshow has the details saying charging your Tesla at home is an integral part of the ownership experience for most people. Not only does it ensure that you have a full battery at the start of every day, but it cuts down on time spent twiddling your thumbs at a supercharging station. Sadly, if you are a renter, overnight level 2 charging is a slightly more complicated proposition, and looks like Tesla may have a solution for that. That isn't to say that there aren't ways around it, or that some apartment buildings don't have Tesla's level 2 wall chargers installed already, but if you are a landlord, apart from the marketing benefits, there hasn't been a lot of motivation for you to install a Tesla charger. That's changing, because now Tesla is enabling automatic payment for its Gen 3 wall chargers, according to a report Tuesday by Electrek. What does this mean? CNET reports that it means no more free rides for people using the Tesla wall chargers in their building. It also means that other charger owners in the destination charging network can now get paid for their investment or recoup some of the electricity costs. Now, CNET says if you are a Tesla owner, this might sound like kind of boomer. Charging for free is cool, right? But if there is now an incentive for building owners and managers to install more chargers, since they won't be a drain financially, then they're more likely to be installed in a wider variety of places. And Roadshow also concludes that Tesla isn't blazing any new trails here. ChargePoint has been offering apartment and condo charging systems with built-in payment processing for a while. Still, as Electrek points out, Tesla are among the best-selling electric vehicles. Tesla vehicles are among the best-selling electric vehicles on the market. So opening this up to those owners without their needing adapters will further encourage EV owners. Let me know, friends, what you think about these new options offered here. But in the meantime, I want to also share with you that according to Reuters, electric vehicle charging network ChargePoint said on Tuesday that it will team up with Apple to integrate a wide range of electric vehicle charging information in Apple's CarPlay infotainment system. Now, electric vehicle drivers, according to Reuters report, will get hands-free access to such information as the location and status of charging stations on ChargePoint's mobile app on the CarPlay cockpit display screen. The app also will enable drivers to navigate to the nearest charging station and start a session, as well as a certain speed of the charger, cost, availability, and plug type. Also, there is another charging interesting story. McDonald's installs 200 electric vehicle charging stations throughout Italy. EnvironmentalLeader.com reports that McDonald's Italia will install 200 charging points for electric vehicles inside the 100 McDonald's car parks across Italy. This will help to increase the electric vehicle adoption in Italy, and also especially Tesla, that Giga Berlin is coming and there will be more Teslas on European roads, and the fast food chain has partnered with NLX to transition toward electric mobility and to underline the importance of a sustainable footprint. This is a good thing coming out of McDonald's. I hope they're improving their food too, and now adopting the electric future is a good move on their part. So the juice pole and juice pump charging stations will be installed inside the car parks of McDonald's restaurants and will offer a new service to customers, allowing two vehicles to be charged simultaneously with available power up to 22 kilowatt in AC for the juice poles and at least 50 kilowatt in DC for the juice pump, with the latter on average of about 30 minutes will be sufficient to charge up without electrical energy. This kind of partnership between McDonald's and these charging companies will mean important results can also be achieved in terms of environmental impact. The charging points working at maximum output will lead to a net saving of over 1,800 tons of CO2 emitted into the atmosphere. I don't know how they calculated this, but probably they have calculated how many cars stop at McDonald's each day throughout Italy and how much emission they will emit. And now, according to this deal, there will be savings of over 1,800 tons of CO2 emitted into the atmosphere. Welcome news. The first charging stations are installed at the McDonald's restaurants in Desio, Eboli, Loreto, San Benedetto del Tronto, Ancora, and Osimo. The implementation plan will soon involve the new cities of Piombino, Barberino di Murello, Alessandria, Curutu, Santa Elena, and Florence. Except Florence and Barberino, I had not heard the rest of the cities before. So this was reported by Environmental Energy Leader. And also the Driven.io says, pay as you grow. Tritium launches scalable electric vehicle charging platform. So as you can see, lots of good stories today, good news about the charging expansion, starting from Tesla bringing automatic payment to level 2 wall chargers, and that being a good news, to Brisbane-based Tritium launching a modular electric vehicle charging platform on last Tuesday that will enable cities to scale up charging rates as demand grows. So the Driven reports that a world's first, according to the company, the modular scalable charging, it's called MSC, hardware platform consists of a base 75 kilowatt charger dubbed the RTM75 that can be increased to 25 kilowatt increments up to 350 kilowatt and beyond. This modular platform does away with the need to rip out old platforms to install faster charging units, something that is bound to become a problem as electric vehicle uptake picks up pace. This has been something the industry and our customers have asked for over the years, and we are the first company in the world to deliver it, said Jane Hunter, CEO of Tritium. Hunter says that the MSC platform will allow the burgeoning EV charging sector to ensure it is ready to scale with EV adoption rather than become obsolete to have to invest in expensive refits. With our MSC platform, 50 kilowatt DC chargers can quickly be upgraded to 75 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt and beyond without a rip and replace required. It's something that the industry has been asking for some time, she says. Yes, I think that's a very important point, because as electric vehicle adoption is increasing, we need to think about the chargers in general. Is this segment, charging segment, is this segment ready for that expansion, or will they become obsolete and we have to do refits again? That's an important point. If you guys know any solutions for this other than discussed here, please let me know in the comment section below, please. And no longer is a charger just a charger. Instead, it's the critical first step to meet the needs of both today's and tomorrow's electric vehicles, she says. And for some smaller operations, operators that do not have the requirements of budgets for 75 kilowatt rectifier to go with the RTM 75 base unit, a 25 kilowatt or 50 kilowatt rectifier is also on offer. The RM75 with 75 kilowatt rectifier can add 75 kilometer driving range for every 10 minutes of charging. I think this is a good news. The MSC hardware platform provides the next level of capital efficiency and scalability while still providing all the great attributes Tritium's products have become known for: design, slimness, and low maintenance, said Dr. David Finn, founder and chief growth officer of Tritium, in a statement. So friends, let me know what you think about these developments, about charging and expansion, the future of charging, and for regarding Tesla for paying for charging, while it's not being cool, but having way more places and options to charge definitely is. So let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and see you soon.